Hey, welcome back to NethaxStark YouTube channel. My name is Stark and hope you guys watched our previous videos. If not, what are you doing, man? Go and watch the previous videos and also do join our Discord server, okay? If you wanna learn hacking or if you wanna talk about hacking in Hindi, okay? So first of all, in this video, I'll tell you how to install RustScan in your Kali Linux system, okay? So for those who don't know what is RustScan basically, so RustScan is a type of scanner which is uh, definitely like Nmap. Okay, so Nmap and RustScan are both are similar, but RustScan is advanced than Nmap because RustScan perform task very fast from Nmap, and it will also help you in many ways. So Nmap is all like Nmap is used by everyone, but there is only specific person in this world who use RustScan for scanning their ports or for scanning enumeration method. Okay, so in this video I'll tell you how to install RustScan, and let's begin in this video. So first of all, you have to open your Kali Linux browser and type here RustScan. Go to the first GitHub directory URL. I'll also post this URL in my website, so you have to just click on the description website. Okay, then on my website you will find all the post regarding this. Okay, so we have four options here. First, you wanna install in Docker, you can install it in if you wanna install it in Kali Linux or Debian, you can surely install it on it, and you can install on Arch and Homebrew, but I am using Kali Linux, so I'll install on a Kali Linux machine. Okay, so here you have to just click on it and it will automatically start downloading, and you can also download source code as well. Okay, so you can basically save here. So I am not saving here because I already downloaded it. Okay, so now you have to just go to your CD downloads where you have installed all your RustScan files. Okay, and here it is the file, so we have to extract it. So use sudo and type dpkg. So it is a type of command which is dpackage. Okay, so it will basically install build from this command. You can install any package or install or build any package. Okay, and you have to type here dpackage /I and then its name. So its name is RustScan, and you have to just simply click on enter, and if you will enter it, it will start automatically. So as you can see, it will ask for my password, and after giving password it will start. So I will not do that because I have already installed it. So let me show you where is it, let me show you. Clear ls cd clear and ifconfig for my IP. So here's my IP of ifconfig, and I will begin a scan on it. So just type RustScan SCN, and by typing /h you can find the help bar. Okay, so I know what all are the commands. So /a and then paste your IP, and then it will start doing its scan enumeration port. Okay, so as you can see, it just find two ports, and I know it didn't find any useful port because my Kali Linux machine is totally secure. That's why it doesn't find any vulnerability in my machine. Okay, so as you can see, this is the way you can install RustScan in your system. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please go and join our Discord server. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching this video.